Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios and we are going over some of the coolest products on all of Amazon. You guys, this is truly amazing. It is the Fireside Outdoor Pop-Up Fire Pit. You guys, if you love a nice bonfire, a nice campfire somewhere, and it is getting to be that season, it's summer, it's time to get outside, it's time to go camping, you need this. All outdoor enthusiasts, you are gonna want this. This is such a cool product. It comes together in under 60 seconds. It's gonna pop up. It is only 7 pounds, and you can take this and have a fireside anywhere, anytime. It is ready to go. Not only is it super convenient, it also is so great for fires because it allows for maximum airflow. It's got a really cool mesh design across the bottom of it, and this mesh is going to allow air in, but it's not going to let the ash out. It's going to make it easier to build a fire and also produce up to 80% less smoke. So if you have a smoke allergy, or if you love bonfires but you just don't want to smell bad and have smoke all over the place, then you need this product. It's amazing. It's going to allow you all of the fun of a campfire without nearly as much of the hassle and way less of the smoke. This is like a really cool engineering design too, because it, even though it's lightweight, it's like 7 pounds, comes together super fast. It allows you to put on up to 125 pounds of fuel or wood, if you will, onto the mesh screen, onto your fire pit. So that's a lot. It allows you to build a big fire and have a lot of success with it for something that is small and compact, easy to take with you. It's really, really awesome. And you guys, it is so high quality. Fireside Outdoor they really stand by this. They give a lifetime warranty. You guys, lifetime warranty on every single piece of this pop-up fire kit except for the wire mesh, understandably so, but that is good for up to 1 year or 50 fires. So you know that you're gonna be able to use it for a really long time. This is absolutely fantastic, you guys. Check it out. Put it in your cart and enjoy this all summer, all fall, all winter. Enjoy it all the time.